Shalom mishpacha, shalom chaverim, shalom family and friends. Bob and I are at a section of the wall that's got a cutout. Tell us, what was this used for, Bob?
It was used as a gun port to defend the city, and they would be able to stand here, maybe 2 or 3 of them together, maybe even more, but then they would reload, and then they had a wide view outside, and it's a lot narrower inside, so that it would be a lot safer in here. It would give them a wide view to the range that they could fire on anybody coming toward the city.
Look at this portal down here.
It looks like something.
It's like a more modern gun access point as well.
It might be, but it looks like perhaps it was blown out from the other side.
It's possible.
Like a shell or something may have hit on the outside of the wall.
Yeah,
and caused damage to blow that part of the wall out a little bit.
So thank you once again for joining us in Akko, a city of many wars, many battles, and not much shalom. But it's a beautiful place, and we're going to keep going. It's really hot out. We can't stand in the sun too long. Shalom, shalom.